your voice as a tool for self-expression, healing, and also authority when you need it.
Yeah, I think a lot of the times we don't realize that our voice can actually be utilized as a tool, and we can use our voice in a way such as to command respect, to convey so many other things. I think we all instinctively know this, but we forget it.
We forget it, and we can train our voices, as we have as hypnotherapists, to get the best out of them.
Exactly.
So listen to this week's episode of Get Real with the
English Sisters.
Mind, Health and Anxiety. The pauses are just as important, aren't they, as a voice?
You're absolutely right.
Do you remember when we first heard Back in the Day? We first heard
Back in the day.
first day